Why do some students stay stuck at a B even when they work hard? In this video, discover what A plus students really do differently. We'll explore the 7 building blocks that transform good efforts into great results through daily habits, reflection, and mindset. You are studying, you are trying, but your grade is stuck at a B. Why does it feel like you are working hard but not moving up? Maybe the problem isn't how much you study. Maybe it's how you study. Let's take a closer look. To go from a B to an A, you don't need more hours. You need better habits, built with consistency, awareness, and strategy. That is where the 7 building blocks come in. Let us understand these 7 building blocks one by one. Micro reviews. Recall daily. Memory strengthens when repeated, not crammed. Challenge folder. Spot your weak points. Practice what makes you uncomfortable. Weekly deep dives. Dive into hard problems. 30 focused minutes a week creates clarity. Learning journal. Track your progress. Notice patterns. Reflect. Don't just react. Teach back. Explaining a concept exposes what you don't fully know and locks in what you do. 2-book rule. One source teaches, the second helps you understand. Rest and balance. Burnout blocks success. Energy powers focus. Rest is part of growth. These aren't shortcuts. They are your structure for steady, confident improvement. Now, what about the leap from A to A plus? That's not about grades anymore. That's about thinking differently. That's about ownership, curiosity, and mastery. Let's get back to our building blocks and look at them differently for A plus journey. Micro reviews. Quick recalls become second nature. You build fluency and flow. Challenge folder. You chase hard problems because discomfort builds strength. Deep dives. You explore patterns. You connect beyond the textbook. Learning journal. You design your learning path. Your reflections become strategies. Teach back. You become the guide. Teaching others reinforces your depth. 2-book rule. You synthesize across subjects. You think across disciplines. Rest and balance. You know when to pause. Creativity needs rest to rise. Each habit builds on the next. You are not just fixing problems, you are creating a system. One that keeps learning alive, even when motivation fades. And that's what A plus students do differently. They don't guess, they grow intentionally. So, if you are wondering why you are stuck at a B, it's probably not your talent, it's your system. And the good news, you can build one starting today. One block, one habit, one shift at a time. Your A plus shift begins now. This is what A plus students do differently. They study smarter, they reflect often, and they grow with purpose. Your shift starts now. You are not stuck. You are just one habit away from rising. Start today and let your journey speak louder than your grades. Learn, reflect, combine, and grow. Your A plus journey starts here. A single shift can unlock your best self, break the B barrier, and build forward with purpose.